We did find Plan B on shelves at several Seattle area pharmacies, but Planned Parenthood of Washington says it's seeing an increase in demand over the past few days. CVS, the first to put a limit on purchases, says its supplies are back up and that it no longer has to do that. But Amazon, Rite Aid, and Walmart are capping purchases. Doctors say they're not surprised. Moments after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, the demand for emergency contraception soared.
I feel like Plan B is like the new toilet paper, from the pandemic, with people being worried about access.
Leading major companies like Rite Aid and Amazon to limit 3 units per customer. Dr. Laura Shaheen points to the website 3 for Freedom, started by a doctor in Portland, where you can order medications like Plan B from any state.
The first few weeks, she had maybe 50 to 75 orders, kind of around that on average. On Friday, there were 60,000 people that came to the website and ordered medication.
Pharmacies are constantly managing medication shortages. That's according to Dr. Ginny Arnold, a pharmacist and CEO of Washington Pharmacy Association.
They're trying to make sure to manage it by limiting the amount of orders so that people aren't hoarding doses, but that everybody can get a dose that needs one.
Dr. Arnold says access to these medications is vital.
Emergency contraception works by delaying ovulation, and so it would not have an impact on a pregnancy. So while it gets conflated with abortion, it's actually pre-planning.
Dr. Arnold says Ella, another form of emergency contraception, is not experiencing the same supply issues.
Plan B and the generic versions of it aren't as effective in women who are over 175 pounds. Ella is also more effective in 5 days out from unprotected sex. Unfortunately, is prescription only.
While Washington is becoming a sanctuary for abortion rights, residents could still feel the impacts.
Access to Washington residents could be limited. I think we all have to pay attention.
In Seattle, Julie Calhoun, King 5 News.